I'm a grown-ass woman.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Thea Hail.
Seems to be a little extra fired up tonight, Graves.
Is that even possible? This woman has boundless energy. I suggest yoga, maybe some breath work.
Well, Thea Hail getting ready to take on Lainey Reed next. Welcome back to NXT.
And her opponent from Gadsden, Alabama, Lainey Reed.
As Booker fans himself to cool himself down, Graves, how impressed with Reed were you after she stood toe-to-toe with the NXT Women's Champion, Jacy Jayne?
Oh, it's a fantastic way to introduce yourself to the NXT universe, as Lainey Reed did. The trouble is, she claimed that she was going to be the one to beat Jacy Jayne and was unable to do so. Tonight is of the utmost importance to show the rest of the world who Lainey Reed truly is.
Lainey's looking to become the biggest, the largest here in NXT, man. Oh, yes.
I'll ask you to elaborate on that, but the bell is about to ring and we're about to get underway between these two. And on the topic of Jayne, she faces Jordynne Grace, WWE Evolution, for the NXT Women's Championship in Atlanta, July 13th, right after the Great American Bash. For Thea Hail, Graves, is there a part of you that thinks Thea got the short end of the stick? Remember, she did tap out Jada Parker.
Listen, I understand the frustration of Thea Hail, who right now is just unloading. It appears as though Thea has had enough.
Whoa.
Maybe she's tired of being overlooked, and you're right. Jada Parker, let's call it what it is, out-strategized, outsmarted Thea. But right now, Thea on a mission into the cover, hook the leg.
Oh, Booker, if you go back to what Graves is talking about, is this sort of a wake-up call of sorts for someone like Thea Hail?
I think it is because, I mean, right now, Thea Hail, I mean, she's her worst enemy. Right now, she had that match won against Jada Parker, but you cannot let this business get you away. Right there, the referee didn't do his job. He didn't break the hold. She let the hold go. That was a mistake, a big mistake.
Well, she's trying to get over the events of that Evolution Eliminator and trying to counter, but instead got dropped face first by Reed. Reed followed up German suplex.
I see something in Lainey Reed. She's got that it factor. She's looking to be big star here, and then he's looking at lowering the boom. I love it, man.
Southern Sensation certainly turning heads very quickly here in NXT.
You see that? You see that deep, that boot right to the snout? I love it, man.
Great snout on the side of your head. Got her in the ear, Book.
She's just excited right now.
I can tell.
Snout region.
Lainey's got you feeling some kind of way, Book. I get it.
I told you he's fanning himself when we started the thing. Graves, how deep is the NXT Women's Division when you truly look at it, all joking aside?
I mean, I don't think I can state it adequately enough. I mean, every time one star goes to Raw or SmackDown, you've got, it seems like 3 more pop up. It's a great problem to have. It's a deep women's division, and it continues to evolve.
Lainey Reed now taking her time. And last week, Booker, it was Reed who said, Thea gets played like a fiddle. I'm sure you agree.
Not only that, Lainey Reed, she stepped in right off the rip. Call out, baby. Call out to the champ. And my thing is this. Is this the UFC? Is this the UFC? Big call outs. I love it, man. That's what Lainey Reed is all about.
Well, when we take a look a little bit deeper at Lainey Reed and some of the comments she's made with call-outs to Booker's point, hey, Gravy, is Reed right with the things she has said about Thea Hail, specifically that she hasn't changed one bit since leaving Chase U?
Oh, take a look at this power from Reed. Wow!
Oh,
shoulder breaker executed excellently into a cover hook of the leg, and somehow Thea able to kick out.
Back to your question, Vic, I sort of have to agree with Lainey Reed, but I do want to take another look at this. Double shoulder breaker. That could have ended it. Credit to Thea Hail for surviving. But I agree. I've said something similar. Thea Hail wanted so bad to be, as she put it, a grown-ass woman, to stand on her own 2 feet. And really nothing has changed about her strategy or her approach to the ring.
Oh, Thea Hail last week, who also admitted that adulting is hard. The locker room is mean as she's trying to get back into this match.
And who said that?
Thea Hail said that.
A grown woman said that?
Yes.
I've just given up.
It's a selfish business, man. You got to be thinking about #1. Right now, Thea Hail is doing that in this matchup, but can she continue to do that? That's the mindset. Stay focused, Thea. Stay focused.
And Thea charging right in and trying to turn this matchup around into the cover. Another hook to the leg. And a kick out by Lainey Reed, getting that inside shoulder up.
Listen, in my opinion, I think Thea needs to take what she has, which is a seemingly endless amount of energy. She's frenetic, she's frantic. If she could channel it, if she can focus it, use it in bursts, in spurts, rather than just non-stop chaos, it might serve Thea well in the future.
Well, right now, Laney Reed again, looking for some high-impact offense, countered by Thea Hale. Hale charging right back in. We've seen this in the past. Could be trying to lock in that Kimura.
This is a smart strategy by Laney, though.
Oh, taking the feet out into the cover. Hey, ref! Nice job by our official. Thea Hale got caught the last time.
That was smart.
And right from behind Thea Hale this time, rolling up center of the ring. And, good job by our officiating crew here tonight. Oh!
That's it. That's it.
Word, but hey! What the?
Here's your winner, Laney Reed.
You're so eager to tattle last time. Why don't you get our officials' attention?
Got to admit, it not only was Reed holding the ropes, it appeared Thea had her hand. This is a shocking upset.
The sticks, man. You know that.